This is Jack. Jack is a Web3, front-end and back-end web dev. Ton blockchain is his playground, where he crafts apps, websites, and explores. This is also Jack, losing his mind. Because he tried building a Ton Explorer with some free APs that keeps failing to get what he actually wants. According to Jack, integrating these APs can be difficult due to complex blockchain data, keeping up with changes and speed, token management, staying current with analysis, expensive and difficult setup, steep learning curve. Unlike Jack, his friend Angel doesn't struggle with APs because she uses TONAPI.
TONAPI is like having a superpower for developers. It provides the tools, guidance, and support needed to build amazing apps on Ton, from games to wallets and beyond. With TONAPI, development becomes faster, more efficient, and a whole lot easier.
That was Angel to Jack.
TONAPI tackles the common API hurdles through providing straightforward access to token, NFT, and account data through REST API. For keeping up with changes, have a streaming API that delivers real-time updates, keeping your app current with live data on transactions and events. TONAPI's airdrop tool streamlines token distribution, handling large-scale airdrops with speed and reliability. TONAPI's Tonalytics tool lets you query the blockchain with SQL, uncovering insights and trends. When it comes to cost, TONAPI does the heavy lifting for you, so you don't need a big computer. Plus, there's a free version called OpenTONAPI. That's like a smaller toolbox you can use on your own, making it easier to start. Its free plan allows one request every 4 seconds. For higher limits, you can obtain a key from opening tonconsole.com. Just like getting a VIP pass at an amusement park.
Wow, that's quite interesting. If you've watched this far and still aren't sure what APs means, don't worry, I've got you covered. So, what are APs exactly? Okay, imagine you go to a restaurant and you want to order food. You don't go into the kitchen and make it yourself, right? Instead, you tell the waiter what you want, like a cheeseburger or ice cream. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen, and the chefs make the food. Then the waiter brings it back to you. You don't need to know how the kitchen works. You just say what you want, and it comes to you. An APL, or application programming interface, is like the waiter. It's a way for different apps or programs to talk to each other. Let's say one app is like you wanting something, and another app is like the kitchen, having the stuff you want like data or features. The API takes your request, gets what you need from the other app, and brings it back. You don't need to know how the other app works, just what to ask for. For example, when you use a weather app on your phone, it asks an API for the weather info. The APls goes to a weather database like the kitchen, gets the info, and sends it back to your app to show you if it's sunny or rainy. With that in mind, you don't need coding experience to turn your ideas into reality on time. Simply use TONAPI, and your concepts can come to life. Mind-blowing, right?